Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will show how we can take inputs in Python. So let's get started. To take the input, first of all we need to take a variable. I assume the variable's name is x. Then we need to use Python's built-in input function, input. If you want to display a message while taking the input, you just need to type your message inside the quotation. For instance, we will write a message. This will display while you will take the input. Python generally takes the input as a string. If you want to take an integer input, you need to specify it by using an int function before the input function. So let's take another variable x1. Now write the int function before the input function. Then like before, we write input, and if you want to display a message, you just type it inside the quotation. So let's write type an integer. If you want to take a float, you have to do it in the same way, but this time you need to use the float function before the input function, like this. Then again, we are going to type a message while taking the input. Type a float number. Now we are going to use some print statements just to display that we have taken the inputs correctly. So print x2. Okay, so let's run the program. So we can see that in the Python console it is displaying that write a message. So let us write a message. I am learning Python. After we press enter, it will display the input. Now it is asking for an integer. So we type 8. It is displaying 8. Now we will take a float number. Let us take 4.566, and the print statement is displaying that it has successfully taken the input. This is how you take inputs in Python. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you all.